In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send 40,000 emails for less than $5. Stick around. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out.
Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Joshua. I'll be going over an app called Sendie. Sendie is an email sender, and as it says, you can send newsletters for literally 100 times cheaper than services like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. So let's kind of get into this. They actually have a calculator down here. You can, kind of compare what it would cost compared to other, based on how many emails you send. This runs through Amazon SES. So you'd need to set up things on Amazon SES, but the owner the guy who developed this software, he does setups. So actually I had him, set up mine. Some other benefits they have, you can go check that out on their website, sendie.co. And let's get into how to build with Sendie. So I set up a fake account here, so I don't have any campaigns or anything in here. So let's go and kind of look at this. If you watched the last video, you would see you have seen this. So we're going to use this email template, this one here. And I'm just going to click back over, and I'll put the link for this video in the description. So let's copy this. All right, so we're going to create a new campaign, and we'll just call this Healthwise. Newsletter, whatever. Okay, so we would switch to HTML editor here, drop this in, switch back to the WYSIWYG, and there it is, all ready to go. All right, and so we need to put a plain text version in so that, so that the users who don't have their HTML turned on can actually see that, what's in it. So, all right, so there's that. You can also use things like their name, their email, the current, number of the, month, the day of the month, the current day of the week, like Friday. Different things here that you can personalize your email with. So they are GDPR compliant, and so from there we would just go over and save, go to next. And I usually use a mail tester. You can grab a mail test, and you could copy that, paste that in there, send the newsletter. Let's just do this real quick and check the score. And there you go. You have a 9.6 of 10 on this. Spam Assassin thinks we can improve, probably some domain related stuff. And that's it. And then you can just select your list and, send newsletter now, or you can schedule it out. Okay. And it's going to send, and this will go into a cron job, which means a server side job that it will complete within a few minutes. And then it will send it out. And then you can click in there and see all of your stats. All right. So, after a few minutes, the email's sent, and let's go in and take a look at the campaign metrics. Okay, so inside the campaign report, we have a few different things. One thing we have here is a pie chart, which is completely filled with the United States because I just went and opened it. We also have, a bar graph showing open versus non-opened and different activity on here. Clicked, unsubscribed, bounced, marked as spam. Those will all show up over here. And then you get the same metrics down here in a percentage. And then you can check your link click activity and stuff down through here. So, so it's really kind of a robust, platform to host your emails. There will be a link to it in the description. You can go click that. You check that out. Really, really good, software. I've been using this for a while. I think it's on version 5. I've owned it since version 2, I believe. So I've used this a lot. So I really do recommend it. It's not something that I'm just throwing at you, arbitrarily. So just go check that out. You have a housekeeping option, so you can, delete unconfirmed subscribers and inactive subscribers. You have blacklist options, so you can put people on your blacklist. You also have certain rules you can set up, so on subscribe or unsubscribe, or when the campaign starts, or campaign is sent. You also have autoresponder options, which we'll look at in a second. And one other option that I didn't show is they have a dark mode, so you can do that. So we can set an autoresponder and a drip campaign, save to next, and then you make your email, and then you save and exit, and then you can activate it. And once you activate it, when someone is subscribed to the list, they'll get the email, and then you can add another one and another one and another one to do your drip campaigns. Also with this, you have an option to view a report. So after the email's gone out, quite a few times, and you've had people, filter down through your drip campaign, you can go in to view the report itself, and you'll see the opens, just like the other portal. I don't have anything in here right now, but you'll be able to see, the link activity, the people who opened, the people that unsubscribed, bounced and marked as spam, and the countries that they opened them in. So a lot of different information you can get, going forward in your drip campaigns.
Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.